Hi friends, my name is Ashish. I am from Mumbai. I've completed my graduation in BSc Computer Science, and after completing my graduation I've joined IXULA as in quality analysis. But from the initial days I want to become a part of any airlines, and especially like a highly qualified job like flight dispatcher. So initial days it was very difficult to join the course because the financial condition of my family was not that good. As my brother was studying engineering in electrical, and both we cannot go ahead and study at the same time. So once he has completed his engineering, he started working in some industries, and after that I have selected like it's now time to go ahead and do my course. But it was initial days it was very difficult to choose like which institute should I go and start learning this professional course. But later on, searching on the website everything, and I decided that Flyair Aviation Academy is the institute which I will go ahead and join this course to study the flight dispatcher. And I came here in March in 2014, and initial days when I started this course I thought it would be like a very easy things to study, but it was very difficult to cope up with the what kind of studies and the environment of this particular job. But as soon as I have grown in this institute, the professors, the teachers, they have teach me in such a manner that it becomes very easy for me to grasp in later stages. Like for initial 1 month it was a bit difficult, but then later on the kind of information they have provided, how they have made it very simple for me to understand what exactly goes in these studies. So I was very thanks to Arun sir, the meteorology. He teaches us meteorology. Franklin sir, he teaches operations, and Mansoor sir, he teaches ground handling. So starting from ground handling, the basic stuff is the ground handling, which was extremely well explained by me, so that when I go ahead with the meteorological and the flight dispatcher, it would become a very easy job for me to cope up with it. So I was very thankful to Mansoor sir that he taught me in such a manner that later on when I started meteorology and operation, which was extremely an important subject in this if you want to become a dispatcher. So started studying, and they have explained me in such a logical manner and very simple manner that it wasn't a difficult job when I finished my course. I finished my course in October 2014. It's by almost an 8 month. And guess what? The first interview was scheduled in next 5 days in Jet Airways, and I got selected in Jet Airways. Later on, in 2 days after, they have arranged an interview for CATHAY Pacific. So also I got selected for CATHAY Pacific, but it was my choice to which company to choose. So Jet Airways has been a very well-known company, so I selected Jet Airways. I was working with Jet Airways, it's been like 2 weeks. As I was working with the Jet Airways, institute called me and told me that there is an opportunity for flight dispatcher interview, which is going to happen in Blue Dart. And I went ahead, I said okay, I will go ahead and join Blue Dart for this interview. And again, surprise, I got selected. The reason I got selected is the kind of information and the kind of knowledge they have given me. It was extremely well explained, and I was able to understand it very well, so that in the interview it wasn't difficult for me to go ahead and get blabbered everything. So it was very easy task when I went to the interview. And the good thing of the institute is that even once I finished my course, they haven't left me. Even I have any kind of doubt, any kind of query, when I come to the institute, they explain me, give me enough time that I should go ahead and explain. And one thing was surprising, that when I went to the Blue Dart interview, there was one of the candidates, his name was Abhilash. He was the ex-senior batch from Flyair Aviation Academy. He has finished his course 1 year back, and still after 1 year back, Flyair called him and told him that there is an opportunity for you. You are the good students. You can go ahead and give the interview. They haven't left that guy like that only, that this is the guy from our institute. He just finished his course. It's been 1 year. We won't be calling him. But that wasn't the case over here. We called him, informed him, and he also got selected for that. That is the best thing about this institute, that they won't leave your hand unless you get placed in some of the industry. And also the kind of knowledge they are providing. I would say it's not an easy profession to choose, but when you come to Flyair, it becomes easy, because the kind of information and the kind of knowledge they give out, and the simplicity. I would say the simplicity is very important over here, because as you know, my background does not belong to aviation, but they made it so simple that now anybody go ahead and ask me anything about this stuff, I can tell you on my back of my hand. So really thanks to all the staffs who has given me this opportunity and to join this institute and complete my course and get me working in a serious background, like in flight dispatcher. I would thank Arul sir, I would thank Mansoor sir, I would thank Franklin sir, and also the director, John sir, that it was a very exciting to study in flight. Thank you very much.